What's up, guys? Another month went by. Monthly knife club, a $200 subscription box. Still subscribe to it because that's the only one is worth it. I have been to subscribe to so many of them and I had to unsubscribe because it's just very inconsistent. Let's see how this one does. Okay. Ooh, Kaiser. I already see some good brands. Nice. Okay, we're gonna open them up at the end. There's a couple of fillers. This is like $10, $5 I would say. Kershaw, this is $12. Spoon and a fork at the same time, and a bottle opener. Put it onto your backpack. Couple stickers. Oh, that's hilarious. Keychain, multi-tool. Gerber, another like $7, $5. And this is monthly knife club. What do they offer us? So I think there's different subscription box. I'm trying to remember. This is the one, ultimate plan, and they tell you what they have inside there. We'll look at it at the end. Plan costs $190. The value should be $340. Let's see about that. So a couple of filler things. Oh, that's cool. A little bit. That's cute. Okay, now Kaiser Fee Weed. Is that how I pronounce it? I like Kaiser knives. Pretty good stuff. Okay. Interesting box choices. But comes with a little folder. Ooh, this is gonna be good. And we can look up the value here in a minute. This is okay, designer name. S90V blade titanium, a toxic storm handle. Beautiful. So this side here, carbon fiber, and looks like, wow, that's powerful. We have a thumb studs or front flipper. Works really good. I like it. Let's move that to the side. Okay, very nice. Weekend carrier for sure. More expensive knife. Frame lock. There's a designer logo. Very smooth. Yeah, I could almost open it this way too. Like spider flick. Hands are too big. But right-handed, left-handed, either way. Phone flip left-handed. Not as good because I'm right-handed, but it is incredible. That's a really good Kaiser free weed folding frame lock model number, CPM S35V, stainless steel plus titanium, value at about $200. But that's not the one that we got. We actually, I think, got better S90V blade, titanium and toxic storm. So what they're telling us here is actually different. So I'll have to scan it and look it up in a minute, and we're going to check the value at everything. I'm really curious about this one, Slasher. Bestech is really nice. Brand as well, very established. I would say this is like $80 knife. G10 handle. Very comfortable to flip it. I can do it even with one hand. Very nice and comfortable. Let's see how much does this one cost. So let's look up the value of these two knives and see what happens. It's actually not on eBay, but this is exactly one that we have, or very similar, because the carbon fiber storm will be a little bit different. So what they mean by different prices, because it might be different models. It was $200, now it's on sale for $180. So that's a nice knife. I paid $190 for it, and everything else with it after is pretty much free. This is why I love the subscription box. Let's see how much this one is. This one is actually on Blade HQ, the biggest #1 website in the United States. They listed it different colors, whole bunch different colors, for $65. It was $80, now it's on sale. So we're getting free knife for $80. That is a discount. Then we have, this is a nice discount. This might be good to put it behind here. Okay, I don't know if I like the color, but you can use it on a different knife. Sometimes you just have to have some kind of hole. I don't see the linear hole on for this one. And a couple of more freebies. So I don't even want to count these ones because it's like feelers, like under $5 each. But the discount right here is this. I bought this one for $190, and this one is free with the subscription. And on top of it, we don't know what we're going to get, so that's another excitement about the subscription box. But it's like 100% of the time, in my case, been like worth opening these things. Such a good high quality items. Love it. Another awesome subscription box.